Today I'm going to be giving you a closer look at this power strip tower. It has 12 US outlets and 5 USB charging ports, so plenty of places to charge different devices and electronics. This power strip is a vertical tower. It looks great either sitting on the ground or sitting on your desktop. The power cord is 6.6 feet in length, and you have 2 on-off switches on the top of the tower that separately control the USB ports and the US outlets.